What is going on, guys? This is part 2 of the build. Today we are going to finish extending out the platform on top so it's flattened out all throughout the top, and we are going to do some carpet installation. Let's get to it. So luckily I only have to take apart the backboard so I can level up that piece of wood back there so I can lay the plywood on it properly. This side too, up the front right here, I can just pull out the drawer and drill in a piece of wood on the side and on this side as well. Alright, let's start drilling. Now I gotta find a safe place to keep this screw so I can screw it back in. Now we're gonna screw it back in. This one is nice and snugged in. Now we just have to work on this side and bring it up as well. We got carpet. Little update so far. We got the main frame on for the carpet. We have it centered out. Now I'm gonna take some scraps and finish it off on the sides, and we're done. We are done with the carpet after this. So I may have just screwed up a little bit. I kind of left the gap where you could see the wood in between. So, I mean, it's not really going to be an issue. If it bothers me, I'll fix it, but that's going to suck. I screwed up on it. I cut it wrong, but whatever. I have this side now, so we're going to get that side done. Alright, you guys, pretty much done with the carpet. It's alright, I didn't really do a good job. The center part running down the middle is perfect, but the sides I kind of screwed up on. The side's not that bad. Overlaps it a little bit, but it's not bad. This side I cut too short, you could see the wood, but it's not a big deal to me. Stay tuned for part 3. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.